Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So make sure to do this operation before you will try to download some apps from external sources like your browser, for example. We have to open the settings, then scroll down to find the apps, the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and go to more security and privacy and tap on install apps from external sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So find the app which would like to allow to install something. I'll pick Chrome and then tap on this switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.